This video will help you understand the Excel worksheet layout better. In Excel, a spreadsheet file is called a workbook. These workbooks contain one or more worksheets where you enter your data and formulas. You need to know the layout of a typical worksheet. Specifically, worksheets are arranged in rows and columns. A cell is where a row and a column intersect, and it has its own unique address. A range is a collection of cells. You also need to be familiar with worksheet tabs and the Excel mouse pointer. Now let's take a closer look at each of the items discussed above. A cell is a box in which you enter your spreadsheet data. A column is a vertical line of cells. Each column has a unique letter that identifies it. For example, the leftmost column is A, and the next column is B. A row is a horizontal line of cells. Each row has a unique number that identifies it. For example, the topmost row is 1 and the next row is 2. Each cell has its own address, which is determined by the letter and number of the intersecting column and row. For example, the cell at the intersection of column B and row 5 has the address B5. A range is a rectangular grouping of two or more cells. The range is indicated by the address of the top left cell F6 and the address of the bottom right cell K14. This is an example of a range of cells, and it refers to all the cells within the rectangle from column F, row 6 to column K, row 14. The Worksheet tab displays the worksheet name. Most workbooks contain multiple worksheets, and you use the tabs to navigate between the worksheets. The Excel mouse pointer is used to select cells. Click on any cell to select it. You can then enter data or edit the cell. That's all for this lesson. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the Excel worksheet layout, and see you in the next lesson.
Simply click the link below to learn more.